It's snowing, guys. Just on top of the hill, I must admit. In the bottom is snowing, is raining, but I'm glad that I came because right now it's more like raining than snowing already. I've just been walking for like half an hour or so. It's already more like a rain now. Gonna knock that out a little bit. That's better. Oh guys, I went outside and I was like, oh, I should put a drone, it's gonna be nice footage. I don't know what happened, it started to be super windy when I put the drone, obviously. And I was like, no, I need to bring the drone back. Just above the trees it was really windy. We're supposed to have like a wind, we have a wind warning for tonight or this afternoon, something like this, so whew. But we made it back. We have the drone, we're good. Alright, as much as I would like to play in the snow, which doesn't really snow here down, I was only on top of the mountain. We have a couple of things to do today, and a couple of important things to do, so we're gonna go shopping first. So I found what I needed. Perfect little van life size. I love it. Super compact. So I'm gonna explain why I purchased this, but we do have to go do one thing. So you probably wonder why I purchase a travel bag. This one go pretty, it's nice. I love that they are making compact things. Every time I'm like, oh, what I'm gonna do with the luggage bag in my bed or a backpack. My last backpack was a nice and compact one too as well. So it's just boop, collapse together. Love it. So I buy this big bag because I'm going Quebec. I'm going Quebec to go see my family. If you don't know, I'm born and raised in Quebec City. Yes, that's where my accent come from. And I'm going for 2 weeks to go see them. So I'm leaving like pretty soon. I purchased my ticket not that long time ago. And if you wonder about Miss Kitty, what's gonna happen with Miss Kitty? I found a little cat boarding place in town here where she's gonna go for 2 weeks. Kind of break my heart a little bit to do that, but I don't think she never took the plane with me, and we have to take not even a 1 hour flight to the mainland, and after that another flight which will be 5 hours into the plane to Quebec. And on my way back I have multiple planes. I have 3 planes that I have to take, and 1 or 2 or 3 hours of waiting time between. So quite a big long trip. And yeah, I'm not sure she's gonna do well, and she's gonna have a place which pretty much look like the size of the van that she's gonna have for herself. People's gonna come, people's gonna give her love, people's gonna give her food, obviously. And she even have a outside little area that they can open. I don't know how much they open it. I'm gonna tell her that she obsessed with going outside, so hopefully they're gonna give her some free time outside. So I'm sure she's gonna love that part. Do you need help with anything? Look like you're doing pretty good. This is probably why I lost everything in that little basket. Yeah, I'm gonna beast you though. It is so different, guys, to travel with an animal compared to live in the house with an animal. I feel like, at least for me, maybe because we are 24/7 together, like she's my companion. We have to figure things out. We are traveling together. If she's not feeling good, I have to stop. If something's going on, if I feel like she's not feeling safe, I change my plan. Like, she's really part of the road trip. Today we have just a couple of things. I'm leaving really soon. I think that's for you guys gonna be the next video that we're gonna do all the last minute things. But I really needed to buy a luggage because the last time I had luggage I give it away because I couldn't find any place in the van. So this one's gonna be a nice one that I can keep. It's kind of annoying sometimes to keep things just for once in a couple years. But I mean, it was not expensive. I think it was like $25–27, so that was a good purchase overall. And I didn't want to go at the thrift store to get the luggage because I don't trust that it's getting no bed bugs sometimes, so prefer buying $27. Alright, so we're gonna wait for the laundry and we're gonna have more stuff to do. What do you think? Oh, it's a little bit wet though. Sorry, it's raining outside. I got Kitty a little new bed. Kitty doesn't like when it's a puffy bed. That's why she just get this mat. I don't know why. She doesn't like when it's a puffy bed, and it's a little bit wet. I know. It's gonna dry. Let me dry it a little bit. And she doesn't like when it's a closed bed, like igloo type. I purchased a lot of like little bed for her in the past. Okay, it's gonna dry. Yeah, And I got some food because you're gonna need to bring that. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? So they told me to bring some bedding and stuff for her. They do have some, but just like good because they have a smell. We'll see. Maybe I'm gonna bring both. They say, don't worry, you can bring as many stuff that you want. I'm like, cool. So maybe one of 2 bed, whatever, with the side. And if she like that one, I'm gonna bring that one. And some little toys. They're gonna have some too, but maybe a couple of toys. And our food, obviously. So, alright guys, so hope you guys enjoy a little day. Next one will be the big adventure. I'm gonna miss you. I miss you already, and you're right here. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you guys. And I'm gonna leave you. Just kidding. So, do you think you're gonna like? Yeah, it's like half an igloo. Yeah, put your smell on it. It's yours. It's yours. All yours, bye-bye. I thought you would like it. What do you think? I think I'm gonna cut this though. It's a little bit in the way. Yeah, what do you think? A little bit of entertainment. Maybe you're gonna keep it. Ah, you like it? You like it? Oh, you give us a kiss. Alright guys. We will see you in the next one, and don't worry, Kitty's gonna be the next video. I'm gonna bring you along when we're gonna go at the cat boarding.